Hello everybody. Now we're just going to see what is meant by next example, uniform cost search and iterative deepening search. So this is another example of uninformed search. So let me see in detail with an example about these two searching algorithm. So uniform cost search is a searching algorithm used for traversing a weighted tree or graph. This algorithm comes into play when a different cost is available for each edge. The primary goal of uniform cost search is to find a path to the goal node which has the lowest cumulative cost. Uniform cost search expands nodes according to their path cost from the root node. It can be used to solve any graph or tree where the optimal cost is in demand. A uniform cost search algorithm is implemented by the priority queue. Right? It gives maximum priority to the lowest cumulative cost. Uniform cost search is equivalent to BFS algorithm if the path cost of all edges is the same. So the primary goal is uniform cost is to find the path to a goal node which has the lowest cumulative cost. That is what the main point here you need to consider, which has the lowest cumulative cost. The name itself indicates cost. So which is the lowest cost, that will be calculated first and taken consider of that cost and traversing through that, getting a solution from that. So while considering by using this uniform cost, what will be the advantage? So uniform cost search is optimal because at every state the path with the least cost is chosen. While considering the disadvantage of using this uniform cost searches, it does not care about the number of steps involved in searching and only connected about the path cost, due to which this algorithm may be stuck in an infinite loop. It's a right disadvantage, actually drawback. It does not care about any loop. How many loop it involves, that is not considered. Rather, it considers only the cost of the each node. That is what the drawback by using this uniform cost search. So by having this disadvantage, you don't want to worry about this is entirely waste of choosing this algorithm. If suppose your algorithm, if your problem matches this criteria, you can choose this uniform cost search. If at all algorithm doesn't need about the infinite loop, or it doesn't need about any such thing, you can leads only to cost wise it is need to consider, means you can choose this uniform cost search. So this is an example for a graph or tree diagrammatic representation for uniform cost search. So here it has level from 0 to level 4. So here they mentioned about, so far we have seen several searching algorithm where we didn't have any weighted graph. Here it has weighted one, which means it considers only cost. So start from initial node, which is S. So S child node is A and B. By comparing two weight, so B is comparatively higher than A, so it choosing A. That is 1. Then comes to after reaching A, the child node of A is C and D. So comparing these two, 3 and 2, so D is comparatively less, so it choosing traversing the 2. So that is D. Then comes to D child node is F and G. So G is our goal node. So by reaching this goal node, by accepting this goal node using this uniform cost search, it reached the goal state in level 3. So this is how the uniform cost search is applied, by comparing two child nodes along with the weighted graph. So weighted graph, using the weighted graph, it just comparing two child nodes, and from that it chooses the lowest, which is the lowest cumulative cost, and traversing from that. Right. So on considering the completeness of this algorithm is, uniform cost search is complete such as if there is a solution, uniform cost search will find it. Time complexity for this it will be order of b power m plus c star slash epsilon. So this will be the cost of optimal solution, and epsilon is the each step to get closer into the goal node. Then the number of steps will be c into epsilon plus 1. here we taken plus 1 as we start from 0 and end to C star slash epsilon. So considering space complexity will be worst case space complexity there, whereas same as that of time complexity. When considering optimal, uniform cost search is always optimal as it only select a path with lowest path cost. Select only optimal. So it is called as a optimal. So next search what we are going to see is iterative deepening depth first search. So it name itself indicate deepening depth first search. So it is an algorithm combination of DFS and BFS algorithm. The search algorithm find out the best depth limit and does it by gradually increasing the limit until a goal is found. This algorithm performs depth first search up to a certain depth limit and it keeps increasing the depth limit after each iteration until the goal node is found. The search algorithm combines the benefits of BFS fast search and DFS memory efficiency. So if it is both combined, both advantages will get into this deepening search. The iterative search algorithm is useful in uninformed search when search space is large and depth of the goal node is unknown. So what will be the advantage of using this iterative deepening depth first search? It combines the benefit of BFS and DFS search algorithm in terms of fast search and memory efficiency. When coming under the drawbacks, the main drawback of using this search is that it repeats all the work of the previous phase. So all the work of previous phase it going on repeat. That's what the main drawback of using this iterative deepening depth first search. Let me see with an example. So this is the following graph tree structure is shown in the slide. Its algorithm performs various iterations until it does not find the goal node. The iteration is performed there. So here it starts iteration 1. It starts from A. Then second iteration is going to be A. Next it travels to B and C. And next in third iteration it starts from A, B, C. A, B. Next comes to depth first, right? So A, B, D, E. Next comes to C. And then comes to F, G. So level 0 starts from level 0 and next comes to level 2. It reaches the goal node. So here the goal node is G. So how to traverse by using this iterative deepening depth first search? It reaches A to G by following A, B, D. Fourth iteration going to be D, then comes to H, then comes to I, since it is a iterative deepening. So A, B, D, H, I, E, next comes to C, F, K, then comes to G. This is what the fourth iteration. At the fourth iteration, we will get a goal. So since it is a iterative deepening, the goal until even if it is found, even if it is not found, it reaches to until the depth limit to the core, the depth limit, and then backtrack to the previous node and traversing to the depth node until then comes to attaining the goal node G. So this is what iterative deepening search going to be. The algorithm going to be works. So on at the fourth iteration only it starts algorithm gets the goal node. So while calculating the completeness of this completeness of this iterative deepening depth first searches, the algorithm is complete in the fourth iteration. Branching factor is finite. While coming to time complexity, the time complexity order of B power D. The space complexity will be order of BD. So while considering optimal, if the path cost is non-decreasing function of the depth of the node, so it is optimal. So this is what the iterative deepening depth first search is about. So thank you.